Where is the center of this frame? Am I centered? Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, Jenny here. So, last week I posted an Amazon book haul, and a lot of you in my Instagram DMs asked me to post when my next package was gonna come. So, here is the second half of my Amazon book haul, and if you want to see what I bought, please keep watching. So I know I mentioned this in the video, in my last video with the things that I bought, but you guys didn't physically see it, but now I'm showing you because due to popular demand, you guys still want to see what I purchased. So I bought these 3 brain workout books. So pretty much my life is very boring. It's not boring, it's very redundant, and sometimes I feel like I need to exercise my brain, but I don't know how. So I felt like buying puzzles, a word search, and a maze would help me out exercise my brain. So I bought those, and I just don't want to like age faster than normal. You know what I'm saying? I bought these 2 books. I heard a lot of good things about them, and it's the same author. It's Rachel Hollins, and it's Girl, Stop Apologizing, and Girl, Wash Your Face. I hear good things about this book, and plus one of my friends, she bought it and she said that she loved it. And I feel like I can relate to this lady because a bit of background on her is that she is a mother of 4, and I guess she was like just trying to still achieve her dreams as an individual, which is what I'm trying to do. So I bought these 2 books. Hopefully she can teach me a thing or two about how to achieve your dreams and as well as to become a mother. And the last set of books that I purchased. Now, I used to be that person that used to say, why do you need to learn how to parent your books? I mean, how to parent your child with books, because you can't learn how to parent your child through books. And here's the truth. It's not that you can parent your child through books. It's just that you just need some guidance, and I feel like I do need some guidance because Kyler will be turning 1 soon, and I can see him developing faster, and it's just like, okay, now I can actually mold you into the human being that I want, as well as, you know, you have your personality. Like, how do I do it? I just don't know how. So I purchased the Oh Crap potty training book. Yes, Kyler is not at the age where he's potty training, nor is he showing me signs. It's just that I feel like the potty training stage, and I've heard from a lot of people, is very stressful. So, and I actually have no idea how to potty train a baby, let alone a boy, because I am a female, so I have no idea. So I figured I would pick this book up to give me some ideas on how to potty train. The next thing I got was the Whole Brain Child. Actually, let's talk about the next few books. If you guys can see it. I got the Yes Brain, the Whole Brain Child, No Drama Discipline, and How to Talk So Little Kids Will Listen. This book, now it's from ages 2 to 7. I figured I would read it now, and when Kyler turns 2, if I haven't forgotten about what I read, I can implement some of the things in this book if I do have time to read it. I picked up these 3 books. These 3 books are by the same author. I really don't know what these books are about. I just know that on Amazon, these all got 5-star ratings out of thousands of stars. So I know there's something good there, and I just decided to add it to my cart because, well, what the hell, why not? So do I know what it's about? I'm guessing this is about discipline. I'm thinking this is about how to mold your baby's thought into saying yes instead of no, because I hear the Terrible Twos is full of no's. And the Whole Brain Child, I actually love psychology. Anything about psychology, I love. And I know this book is about how a baby's brain develops psychologically. So I actually want to know the nitty and gritty on how that happens, because I just think it's like incredible how a brain develops as the brain matures, or even like human behavior. I think that stuff just really amazes me. That is what I bought for my Amazon haul. Everyone send me well wishes that I have time to read all these books or do some of these puzzles just to exercise my brain. Other than that, I will sign off here. So please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all down below. Or is it up here? It's one of these ways. Or you can catch me on my social media, which is right here. I'll link it up here in the corner. That's at kiss.jennie. That's spelled kiss.jennie, Jennie with an IE. Or if you want to subscribe to my channel, click on my face right here. Or if you want to catch me on my last video, click right here. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.